for me, calling east of Mississippi type stuff and that Midwestern stuff like Kansas, Oklahoma, that type country, man, I kill most of my cats within 8 minutes. It ain't none of that 45-minute jump. It's
Right.
if they're there, they're coming. They're
Yep.
coming.
And they'll beat a coyote. Well, I mean, just like
Oh,
your scenario, they'll beat a coyote usually to the call. I mean, if they're within an earshot, for sure.
hey, that coyote bobcat double here, that just those coyotes wouldn't have come to the prey distress. They
Yeah.
wasn't gonna come. I'm a firm believer that I could have played 2 or 3 more prey sounds. They wasn't gonna come, but when they heard that coyote fight, here they come, buddy.